Welcome! Today we're going to look at how to program the date and time on your Brother MFC-J497DW. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. One of the first steps in setting up your Brother machine is setting the correct date and time. You will need to perform this step before you can install the ink and begin printing. Enter the current year by using the arrow keys on the control panel to move the cursor on the display. Once the cursor is over the correct number, press OK to enter that number. If you find that you've entered a number incorrectly, navigate the cursor until it is over the backspace icon, and press OK. Then enter the number again. Verify that the year is entered correctly, and navigate the cursor over the green OK icon. Then press OK. Next, use the arrow keys and the on-screen cursor to enter the month, pressing OK after each digit. Once the month is entered correctly, navigate the cursor over the green OK icon, and press OK. Use the arrows and the cursor once again to enter the day, again pressing OK after each digit. Once the day is entered correctly, navigate the cursor again to the green OK icon, and press OK. Then enter the time using the arrow keys and cursor. Once the time is correct, navigate the cursor to over the green OK icon. Then press OK. Now you can proceed to installing the ink. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.